have here is a 2023 Seltos. Came from Ohio. Customer came into the dealership, stated that they heard some noise in the engine. To our surprise, when we pulled this oil cap, we have quite a bit of what we would call sludge. When we pulled the Carfax, we find out the vehicle has never been serviced. In this type of situation, the manufacturer is going to question why a 2023 with only 22,458 miles on it actually has engine problems. They'll ask to substantiate the maintenance. This is something that really breaks my heart to deal with something like this. $250 worth of oil changes is now turned into a little bit over $10,000 for a new motor.